Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to make oatmeal and potato fufu. Let's get started. So let's peel the potato. I'm going to peel just one because I'm doing a little quantity. Cut it to smaller pieces. Then wash. So I'm going to blend the oatmeal and potato. I pour it in the blender. Potato. Then add water. Blend. So I will pour in a pan. Add water. Keep stirring with a low heat. It's getting thicker gradually. Add a little water and cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will add a tablespoon of oil. Our fufu is ready. We want to wrap our fufu. My people, we are done. You can see how beautiful we are looking. I want to enjoy it with a goosey soup. My people, check on my channel and see how to prepare a goosey soup. Thank you very much for watching. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. God bless you. See you at the next video. Bye.